So me and my brother want to surprise our parents. They've never been in private jet before.
Really?
Yeah.
Great. What destination and what kind of food would you want us to serve your parents?
The best of the best.
Oh,
Yeah.
Our mom has always wanted to go to Paris, but her dad's always talking about Amsterdam.
Yeah, that's true.
that's not a problem. Okay, that would be a two-stop with our best food and drinks. So you're looking at 70,000 US dollars payment upfront.
That's not a problem. Please, it's a surprise. We want to surprise them. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Okay.
No. That's not fair. Me, I will never be a party to that.
What are you talking about?
What
are you talking about? Are you listening to yourself?
Why would you? Why would you?
Welcome. I'm fine, ma. Yeah, nice to have you here. Please, can you follow me? Don't worry.
Where are we going? What are you even doing here? No, what are we doing here?
You're welcome, Dad. Just have your seat. This is a private jet for you guys.
Baby, get on! Can you see what this is doing for me? It is my lifetime. I'm able to go to Korea.
You, mom, it's Dad, Mom, I have a secret I want to tell you.
Are you serious?
And I've kept it for a very long time.
Is that why we're here?
Nessa knows about it.
Yes, mommy.
I want to let you know that I am gay.
Eh? What? Which gay? Gay what? You?
Calm down, mommy. Calm
Gay?
down, Daddy.
Which mouth are you using to tell me that you are gay?
That's my truth.
It's not truth of what? So you want
possible.
You want my lineage to close down? My only son to close down my
Don't
lineage?
say that, Daddy.
That
You
is
must
not
be
fair.
joking.
LGBTQ.
Obi!
Like,
You can't tell me
yes,
that.
mommy. What's
Eh?
happening? Dad, just calm down.
Calm down for what?
We've
You
been paid.
talking
This is
about
not my
a gay
child.
here. You. Gay. Obi.
This is my child.
Obi. My only son.
My name is not Obi, my name is James.
Yes.
Jesus Christ of
I
Nazareth.
reject
Obi. Is this demon that is talking to you? I buy that demon. I buy that demon. I buy that
Calm
demon.
down now.
This is my son.
What?
Calm
Okay, let me
down.
ask you. Why?
It's the LGBTQ.
Jesus Christ.
I
They're
mean,
paying us.
even for the jet, yes.
They pay for this jet.
For the
Yeah, pay for
everything.
you jet. This one.
Every single
Yes.
thing that's
This
out
one
there.
here.
This one.
Let's go.
Yes.
Money.
No, mommy, you're not
We are not going anywhere.
You
I don't want again.
have to go
Money,
to
don't shut up.
Paris.
Let's go.
Don't go.
Yeah, we have to do money.
Don't
Let's
go
go.
to us.
You
Mommy,
can't do
no.
that to me.
Wait.
Go.
Daddy, wait now.
Stop.